جبرتي وعلى اسماعيل جبرتي ألم ترى كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة ما قاس على اسماعيل جبرتي بدون أحسن بها هاي صوبتها أي واحد دون أي باوا لكن تتكلمك أفريقيا جوجا والمحاصر بتاعتك لو كونغو what is going on big nose شلال من صبيريا نموسلنا أول نور إيكادي وكادي وجبرتي واسمع جبرتي تبى توحد حي ما تقبل يبقى كونغاي ما حكى لا حي كونغو حي سبب they kill innocent people 500 years يكونوا لاي they kill them and they meet that we call them Christian terrorists why they call us Muslim terrorists. What the fuck is the nigga? Black nigga killing his black and he believes in Jesus. And he kills the children. And they never put the television.
And the Kenyan.
Now my country now, 3,000 Indians coming. Listen to me, Somaliland yesterday, 3,000 Indian women is coming. And they want the marriage. Gujarati, Punjabi. And what they say, we want Sheikh Sahar children. We're 3,000 women, no husband. They come in my city, Abadja. I read newspaper yesterday. And the rest 3,000 said, we want Sheikh Sahar children. We don't want Arab, we don't want Hawiya. Because they are Qurayshi, they are Arabay. 3,000 they come in Hargeisa and Bro. And the ulama في Hargeisa, عيال Sheikh Sahar, what they say, we must marry them. Because مؤمنات قانتات طيبات عابدات سائحات سيبات وابكارا وقوله تعالى انما المؤمنون اخوه يهاجرون في India they come out covering because Indian they live in 300 years they live in India. Indian people, the East African Indian and South African Indian, they are great people. They are different this Indian. They never say oh, I'm Indian. They say I'm East African. I'm a South African Indian. They are doctors, they are lawyers, they are engineers, they're working hard, they don't rape any woman, they don't steal anybody, they don't kill anybody. They are human beings. Look this country, they're working hard, they're working 12 hours. Don't hate them. If you are a hater, you will go to hell. Prophet Muhammad, he loved everybody. If you are Jewish, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ لِلنَّاسِ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. He loved animals, he loved women, he loved animals, he loved trees, he loved Jewish, he loved Christian. Because Al-Quran, what he says, every ayah you read Quran, Bismillah ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman, who is Allah? Allah, he loved all the human beings. Allah, he loved the jinn. Allah, he loved the Christian. He give him money. You see how many millions. Why we come in here? It's a Christian country. We get free education. We get free school. If I go India, if I get money, no. Jahe dunya nahi. If I go Nigeria, I'm a PhD. If I go Nigeria, I can get a job. No way. They kill me.
What about Hawiya?
Hawiya is never. We play Hawiya. Hawiya. The name is now we take it like Darod, Hawiya. What that's the name is of Shaitan. Allah say Tabbat Yada Abi Lahabin wa Tabba. Don't take the name is of the night. Like Hawiya, Darod, Habar Yunis, Habar Awal, Habar Chi, Habar Chini. Where is the man? Now we pray to Allah. We pray to Allah. Allah Yahdi Hawiya, wa Darod, wa Sheikh Zahaq, wa Galabusi, wa Galabusi.
They never Yahdi.
No, don't say that. There are some Muslims.
They take our money.
Yeah, we pray.
Everything.
We like to retain you because now Congo is coming, Uganda they coming, China, Big Nose is coming. He killing to us. Kenya now you see 6,000 Somalis they killed them. Yeah, and we pray to Allah, inshallah. Allah yahdihim kullana. Yeah, assalamu alaikum.